planted so that the bad bugs would be attracted to them instead of the.
But this keeps the deer away.
Yeah, well,
Do you have any deer?
we do.
Now what is
I don't think they planted enough, to be honest, but we'll see.
whatever it is?
Whatever is, that's right. See, the bugs are eating these, and hopefully they'll continue to eat these and not those.
You hear that, bud?
And,
It smells nice.
yeah.
What is it?
it's oregano.
Oh.
This is all oregano and chives. And look, you see, underneath this flower, this is the baby
That's
cucumber.
going to be the cucumber.
Yeah. Look how adorable. These are sweet potatoes. And they have to, well, yes, but we have to take all this plastic because they want to root like that, you know.
Why do you put the plastic down?
Well, for the beginning, it's to help with the weeds. And then,
And you've done this, so
well, not me, Mother. It's Olivia who knows all the stuff. You can taste.
you pee.
Yes,
Smell this guy.
but I know, but I'm just saying this one's better. Try this one. It's so good. All right. These are turnips. And these are the new radishes coming up.
I know.
Called rainbow lights because they're all different colors. If it doesn't look beautiful this year, it does. Yeah, I know. This is Alethea's touch.
It's all due to Alethea.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my.
See? Go down.
That's broccoli.
Broccoli. Look at this one.
Now the leaves you don't eat. Huh?
No.
These are the eggplants.
I'll show you this here.
Now is Alethea happy with these
Lettuces.
the center of the lettuce? He doesn't like the leaves.
Yes, he's happy with the heart.
First tomatoes coming up green.
These are the romaines. Or slow poke basil.
Romaines. And basil.
These,
Now
finally they're starting because it's finally getting hot enough for them.
they have to have hot.
They like it. They want to be in the
And
Mediterranean.
what about the purple ones?
Those are also basil.
So some
Yeah, those are peppers.
Oh, there's the yellow. Look at that.
Yeah. These are carrots.
I go with zucchini and get a flower.
You do.
There's no flower.
Well,
Oh, I see.
if you start taking when they're out of the when they put their shoulders out of the
And this is an onion.
yes. Lots of onions.
Now are these ready to be picked?
Yes. When they start lying down, it means
Come get
come get at me. You're done with fresh onions, now you're gonna have to dry the
And some
rest.
garlic down there.
And then there's garlic down there. Wow.
What do you have over here, Wen? Carrots, huh?
Carrots.
Do some fresh garlic. Does it taste different than
It's milder. Oh, here, watch this. Watch this.